on this chapter 4. Check your understanding. First, read the paragraph below and then answer the question. Michael pulls his brother in a wagon. Suddenly, Michael's dog jumps in on his brother's lap. Michael continues to pull the wagon, but it is more difficult now. The added mass of the dog means that Michael has to generate more force to accelerate the wagon to the same speed. Okay, so these are terms we've already talked about: mass, force, and speed. Remember our vocab: mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. It's how close the matter is together and how much of a weight and mass were related, but not exactly. Okay, and a force is a push or a pull, so coming or going. The speed of an object is the distance the object travels per unit of time. So remember, we did meters per second or something, a distance, miles per hour. So distance with time. Feel free to answer the question, why is it harder to pull the wagon with the dog in it? All right, next one. Let's go with our vocabulary skills. Some similar words may have different meanings in science. So look at the different meanings of the words below. So let's say we have energy. In our everyday meaning, it's a noun, the ability to be active and to take part in a vigorous activity. She had enough energy to run for miles. But how do we relate that to the scientific meaning? It's also a noun, but it's the ability to do work or cause change. An example is the wind can move objects because it has energy. So it's the ability to do work or cause change. It's a science definition. What about power? Everyday meaning, the ability to influence others. The coach has a lot of power over his young athletes. Where scientific is the rate at which work is done. A truck's engine has more power than a car's engine. So it's talking about a rate at which work is done. Quick check, review the sentences below, then circle the sentence that uses the scientific meaning of the word energy. A puppy has too much energy to be inside the house all day, or a wrecking ball has enough energy to knock down a building. Which one of those sentences uses the scientific meaning of? Looking over the chapter, we have lesson 1, energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, gravitational potential energy, and elastic potential energy. Lesson 2, we'll talk about mechanical energy, nuclear energy, thermal energy, electrical energy, electromagnetic energy, and chemical energy. Lesson 3, energy transformation, the law of conservation of energy. And there you go. We'll start it out.